Hey guys, I'm Tutorial Phil. Welcome back to my channel. I know it's been quite a while if you've been following my channel. I really haven't had the need to purchase anything fashion related as much. This was just something small that I wanted to collect. This is actually from the Winter 2020 collection, or the Fall Winter 2020 runway. This is the thin silk scarf. This is a style that I've purchased before from other brands, and I usually like to wear it as almost like a informal tie. This is the Dior Oblique Beaded Flowing Tie. So this has the pearl motif. So this paid homage to Judy Blame, who was a British style icon, and he's someone who inspired Kim Jones's work. And you'll see this pearl motif throughout many of the items from that collection. There's actually an item that's specifically for these ties. It's like a pearl closure, but I normally just like to tie it myself, so I didn't feel like I needed to get that. And it's in a navy background, and there is some dimension to the pearl, so there is some shading. I wish it was more pronounced. I feel like in the photographs online, the 3D effect is a bit more pronounced, but you do still get it in the actual item. I just wish it was more. I almost wish it was like a woven texture, but of course this is just printed. So this is made in Italy. It's 100% silk. And this retails for $240 in the US. And I think you can still get it. I had purchased this online. They had stock sort of in and out, but I think you could still purchase it from some of the boutiques. You just have to call them if it's not your local one, and usually they can set up a mail order, like a phone order. So next, I'm just gonna briefly show you what it looks like on. And that's my video. Thank you for watching, and I hope everyone is staying safe and everyone's well. Subscribe for more videos, though I don't know when the next one will be. I definitely am waiting to go back to Paris. Hopefully early 2021. So thanks again for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.